rice hamburger helper made the Mommiesaurus way. Hello, hello, hello you guys. Welcome back to my kitchen. And yes, you're seeing me make another type of hamburger helper. The reason I'm making so many of these is I had a friend who said to me, I've had hamburger helper hot dish, quote unquote, at your house 2 dozen times, 3 dozen times over the last 6 years, and it's never the same, but it's always really good. How do you do it? And I told him I just use whatever I have on hand. So he asked me if I could just film 5 or 6 times that I make hamburger helper hot dish and do it myself. Now I don't always use hamburger helper. Sometimes I just make it myself and make homemade hamburger helper. But if I get hamburger helper on sale for a really good price, we buy it. We live paycheck to paycheck, and sometimes you just gotta buy what's on sale. So today I'm doing crunchy taco hamburger helper. So let's do this. In here I've got a can, a pint of home canned bacon, like half a dozen beans that I picked off my garden. It's my first bean harvest of the year. There's like half a dozen of them. The rest of them have got several days before they're ready. And then I have carrots, leeks, peppers, onions. You can add whatever kind of vegetable you want. I grab whatever the heck I have in my cupboard and use that. So we're going to turn this on. We're going to let all this cook up and fry up, and then we're going to add the rice. Yes, the bacon and the rice, trust me, I've done it before. It's actually really good. So, especially when you're doing like a taco or a Spanish. Alright guys, let's get this cooking and we'll be back. Alright guys, there we go. It's all nice and browned and cooked and yummy and So, let's do the next step. Seasoning mixes. Since I want more, I mean, one package of hamburger helper just does not feed my family. So, like I did in another video, I always add a box of something else, or like I did in a different video, I add extra noodles. Here I'm adding a box of rice, Spanish rice. That is Aldi's Spanish rice. So, add the seasoning packet from the Spanish rice. The seasoning packet from the hamburger helper. Mix it all up. Then I always add my noodles and or rice and then water. So, rice, the reason I add the seasoning packets first is frying them a little bit helps bring out even more of the flavor. And then the same thing with the rice. It actually helps the rice absorb a little bit of the flavor if you let it all fry together for a few seconds. Then I'll add the water. Now, when it comes to, unlike with the noodle, which is just add amount of water necessary. With the rice, you want to make sure you add exactly what the containers have both said. So 2 cups water, 2 3/4 cup water. So I grabbed 5 cups, but I don't ever, when it comes to rice, add all of it at once, unlike with the noodle. Add about half of it and then slowly add the rest of the water to the rice as it's needed. Ooh, yum. Alright guys, all we're going to do is let this slowly start to cook, and I'll bring you back when I add more water so you can see what it looks like. And yeah, and da, and we'll be back. There we go, all the water has cooked out, so we're just going to add more. Make sure you've turned your thing way down so you don't get burning. Because remember, this is a tomato product, it will burn quickly and easily. Yeah, I'm watching the BBC Farm series in the background. Alright guys, we'll be back. And there we have it, you guys. Now, I did turn it off, but it's still, you know, doing its boily bubbly thingy. You can eat it the way that Hamburger Helper recommends, which is just in a big bowl. Or you can put it in a bowl, top it with sour cream, top it with salsa con queso. You can make a big giant bowl of lettuce and sprinkle a little bit of this on top and make a taco salad. You can make a wrap out of it. You can do any number of things with this. Now, I like to do this because then I have 3 or 4 days of doing all kinds of different things with it. So, there we go. Simple, easy, quick. Another way to make a Hamburger Helper, quote unquote, healthier. So, thanks for coming along, you guys, and we'll see you in the next one. And remember, stay positive. Bye!